What's going on, y'all? Here I'm back with another banger, and today we got some more 392 swap charger content. Today we got a little something going on. We finna wrap my trunk and probably wrap my roof. I don't know if we finna wrap my roof because we got a little ding right here. I'll probably just put some body filler or some shit, sand it down, call it a day. But we're gonna wrap the roof and the trunk satin black, and then we finna put the scat spoiler on. So what? It's in my garage. Yeah. So let me show y'all the wrap, and then let me show y'all what it's gonna look like with the spoiler. So here's the scat spoiler that I'm talking about. I already took them out. It's just a 2020 Charger spoiler. It got some little nicks and shit, but we finna touch that up with some wrap. And then most of that ain't gonna show because I'm gonna do a little wicker bill and shit, but I gotta stay tuned for all that. Here's the wrap, or here's what we finna do my trunk in. Here it is, satin black from Metro Restyling here in Michigan. They local to us and shit. I still ordered it though, but first you gotta prep my trunk so it can be ready for wrap. So that boy Oscar buddy over here, synthetic clay bar and my shit. So, and then after that we gotta take the third brake light off, these badges off, and the fucking lock and the charger. I ain't putting no badges back on. I don't know, I might put like a little 392 or some shit, but I don't know. This bitch is sleeper. I don't know. I might put a little badge, what y'all think? Put a little B badge, just like, nah. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna just take those badges off of the cart. Yeah, so here's how the trunk looking. Got the badges gone, the third brake light off, and the lock cylinder off. That clay bar did wonders. The paint smooth as hell and shit. But when I was finna get the laying some fabric down, it looked pretty cool, the badge though. I just gotta imagine it black. Oh yeah, don't even mind the exhaust. I don't even know what video this is or what. I'll talk about that shit later. Alright, shit. Here's how the process coming along. You just over here squeegeeing that shit out, but it looked pretty good. Oh yeah, so here's how it was looking. We had ran into a problem. All the wrap was starting to like build up right here, so we just decided to do two pieces. We just cut it right there. Now we just cutting all the access off. And on some boards, I wrapped the blue gas caps, and now it's sand black. That's sand black. Now for real, all I need is throw the wing on and throw my Daytonas on. It's gonna look decent for now. But nah, I ain't finna ride around like that. Throw my shit back. But yeah, we finna do that right quick and call it a day. Y'all, so it's the next day. I don't know how well y'all can hear me because we got a generator running because my power went out. But here's how the charger looking. As you can see, we had did two different pieces. I think it looks pretty nice. I am gonna end up doing the roof, but I ended up running out of wrap. But damn. But what we finna do right now is install this scat charger wing off a newer charger. As you can see, it already has a wicker bill on it. So when I showed you on the last clip, I'm gonna not end up using it. I just got this one off my boy for the low. Here's what it look like. I think it's gonna look fire. Right now I'm gonna mock it up, you know, mark some holes and shit, and then drill some holes. I'm kind of scared, but I will. And I got it mocked up on the trunk so I can get like a small idea of what it's gonna look like. Obviously it's gonna be flush. I just have to put tape right here, where I'm gonna drill the holes at, and then I'm gonna mark it with the marker. I don't know where my marker went, but I'm gonna mark it and I'm gonna start drilling. Alright, y'all, so I got the holes drilled out. I got how much? 5 holes drilled out, and then I got all this double-sided tape laid on here. So here you go, nothing. I'm gonna peel all the double-sided tape and I'm gonna lay it, and I'm gonna, you know, like push it in so it could be nice and over with. Let's see how it's looking. Okay, so I just try to lay it on, and I guess you gotta take these little white tabs off, cause you know, it's like a different shape with the trunk since the new ones are like more rounded, I guess. So I'm gonna pop those off right quick and lay it down. Yeah, so here's the finished product. Looks pretty good. I still gotta get these bolts for the wicker bill, but I ain't really sure about that. I'm gonna order them off ZL1 add-ons. And I forgot to show y'all, but I got the exhaust fixed off camera. A little sneak peek of the new wheel setup. But when I put this wing on, I had to take off those white little things that I showed y'all, but I didn't know that there were screws that could fit. So I had to drill these little jank holes out like while it was already in. So I got those in on both sides. They're not too jank, they look alright. I'm gonna wrap over them and cover them. And I'm gonna put the cover and shit. But yeah, that's the finished product. Let me know what y'all think. I think it looks fire. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the whole trunk wrapped all black. I might just take the black off right here. Let me know what y'all think I should do. But right now, I think it looks good. It doesn't really bug me, but I was just thinking of it so I can switch up the look. And I'm gonna definitely tint these taillights. But let me know what y'all think of this mod. One of the biggest mods that I really done for real. Nah, I'm lying. But stay tuned for more. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.